Hello, my name is Alan. I'm the homeowner. And Roof Fix Houston is not the first company that I asked to come out to my house. There were other roofing companies. Some of them didn't even come out. And I need a roof. And of course, $20,000 for a roof is a little too high. Then I got someone else to come out. They look at my roof, and you know what? They didn't really give me the confidence of what I'm looking for. I was looking for no interest financing. They have to look it up. Then they don't know how many, plywood underneath the roof when they tear it apart. They say it may be more. So then I have to call them back and find out. This was done between Christmas and New Year. So I figured, okay, they're probably busy. But I called anyway, and then by the time I got to Roof Fix Houston, Armando came out, told him the whole story about what I was looking for. So he said, what do you need? I need 0% financing. He had that to offer. And I said about my payment that I need and the price point of the roof. And I also want quality material with good warranty. And he said, I can do all that. And not only did he did all that, I figured you have to wait, you have to schedule it. Well, that night a dumpster was at my driveway. And by next morning, a crew of 8 showed up. And by 3:30 in the afternoon, the roof was completed. And when I went up there and looked at it, it is exactly what I want. And the material they use are top notch. That can last. And it's a roof that what I need for my home. Because I have other work that I need someone else to do. So the roof is just the beginning. And because they did the roof, then I was like, you know what? I have work that I need outside my house, inside my house. And I was like, Armando, you know what? Let me call you back after the new year. Well, we're in the end of January, in February the 1st. He's in my house again. I need my, range hood replaced because, like I said, the house is 30 years old. We all got a home that we need to take care of. And the most important thing is that I want someone that would do it right and do it clean and with a price point that I can afford. And the quality has to be there. Because you don't want them to do it twice. You don't want them to leave and you have to clean up behind them. And the worst part is that they do it wrong and then you look after it and you get upset. And it's like, maybe I save a couple of bucks, then it's a mess. Or if I overpay, then you're like, why? So if you look around, I don't think it would matter because I did already. And I did look and I spent a week looking before, I found Armando to show up. So I recommend Roof Fix Houston if you guys want to save money, save time, get a fair price, and more importantly, your home will be done with quality work and clean. I love the clean part because when they're done with my roof and I walk outside, there was nothing on my front or back lawn, and it was Christmas, so they hang up all my Christmas light back up on the lawn. Who does that? So, like I said, my recommendation is, you want a peace of mind? Just spend what you need and quality, and the crew that comes out there are professional. Give them a call. Armando will hook you up.
Hello folks, Roof Fix Houston, helping folks all over the Houston area. We're insured and bonded, so everybody's taken care of. We're not gonna run, we're gonna get the job done. Roof Fix Houston, your #1 contractor.